Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tyler with an O. And for those of you who are already my people, already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome back. So today's video, obviously you see I'm serving fashions, darling. Come on. Spring, summer. No, I'm just kidding. I'm serving this this robe, okay, this young house coat because I just woke up. I didn't like just wake up. It's morning and I'm still in my lounging attire, okay? I had to put something on to film in front of y'all. But anyways, that's not what we're here to talk about today. So today I'm gonna be trying out, reviewing, first impression type of situation of this face cleansing brush that I ordered off of Amazon. So this is what it looks like here. So it's called Fancii with 2 eyes. Fancii. But yes, it is a facial spin brush. Before we get into the details of the product, I just want to give you a little bit of background about my skin, since you know that's what we're going to be testing it on today. I have very dry skin, dry to the point where I get really flaky, especially around my nose and my eyebrows. I'm not about to go and spend an arm and a leg, a foot and a pinky toe to buy a damn CLARISONIC. Alright, it is a brush head that spins on your face. So why do I gotta pay $200 for that? So that's why I got this one. I kind of looked at the reviews as far as like the ratings, and this one was rated very highly. So it was $25.99 and it was on Amazon Prime as well. Another reason that I chose this one is because it comes with like a traveling case, which I thought was cool because I don't really want it sitting out, but I don't want to like put it in a drawer either with like other stuff if it's gonna be going on my face, you know. And also I wanted something that was gonna be battery operated because I already have things plugged in my bathroom and I didn't want one more thing to be plugged in sitting on my counter. So this is what it looks like. This is our model who we have here, which I mean, I don't know how she gonna wash her face without a damn makeup on, unless this doubles as a makeup applicator. But I mean, in the brush clean, it ain't even wet. But it does say here you can use it wet and dry, which is interesting. So as far as the features on the back, it says it has, she has 3 interchangeable brush heads, 2 speed settings, low and high, compact storage, battery operated. So the contents, and I'll show you this side here. It comes with the soft brush, which is for gentle cleansing, the exfoliating brush, which is for deep cleansing, and then a silicone brush, which says it's for dry and sensitive skin. It says it's for dry skin, but I would think that the exfoliating brush is for dry skin, but we gonna see. So let's open her up. This is my first time opening it. I've been waiting to use it. Face just been getting dirty over the days, girl. I'm just kidding. I've been just washing my face. That's normal, but I didn't want to use this until I got to use it in front of you guys. Come on, Fancii. Ooh, ooh. There was a surprise inside. Alright, so here's what she looks like. Sorry if I'm looking down, y'all. This is my monitor and I want to just like make sure that like everything's in focus and y'all can see, you know, what I'm giving you today. By the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I just needed to wash my damn face. Alright, so this is the, ooh, okay. This is the, y'all hear that? So this is the silicone brush here. And this one, I'm assuming is the, oh wow. Judging by the picture, the darker of the brushes is the exfoliating brush, so that would be this one here. And the soft one is already attached on our little device here. Hold on, let me just compare. Somebody trying to manipulate me and I can't be manipulated. Alright, so this. Okay, I do feel like a slight difference in the softness of the bristles. Okay, I feel it. Okay. It does require 2 AA batteries. If you ain't got no batteries, then go ahead and take them out the back of your remote control. You know what I'm talking about. Let's not act brand new. Let's not act bougie, okay? It has a little lock here for the battery thing. I guess that's more for like the waterproofage. And so we're gonna open that. And we will put in our batteries. Now look, I'm not one for reading directions either. So if I break this, we would just pop up. Oh, okay. No directions required. Just pull that sucker off. I'm going to apply the deep exfoliating one, the more rough of the 2. Okay, y'all see that? Oh, y'all probably can't see it moving. Let me do this. Okay, that feels... Oh, that feels nice. Oh, okay. Yeah, like, okay. Okay. Oh, we on level 2 now. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, this gonna exfoliate the chap off your lips. Let's go ahead and get this face washed, okay? So I'm gonna wet it, just run it under some water real quick. Just gonna kind of give a nice little one I'll give a nice little 1, 2, because that's how much I would put in my hands when I was washing my face anyway. And I mean, ain't nothing to it but to do it. I'm just gonna, maybe I should wet my face first. Let me put a little water on my face. All right, so the face is pre-moistened. So now I'm just about to turn her on. And we're gonna get to scrubbing, I guess. Oh wow, that water was cold. Oh my God, okay. You gotta close your eyes for this one. So this is on like level 1, which is, you know, it's cute or whatever, but I need this to remove the whole top layer of skin. All right, let's go ahead and pump this up to level 2. Oh yeah, now we're cooking with gas. Go ahead, scrub all of that. How I look, y'all? Did it scrub the black off me? Do I got rug burn on my face? Oh, cause she's scrubbing. Yes, she is. Ooh, let me get down this neck too. The box says that the silicone head is for dry skin. I have dry skin, so let's give it a shot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh shit. So I got my silicone head now, and I'm just gonna pop that sucker on there. Give it a little spritz, you know. And go ahead. I'm gonna just put 1 pump because I don't feel like there's much. You know, I'm just gonna put 2 pumps. You know, I want some suds. Oh, now this is nice. Oh, I see what you did there. Okay. Now I don't know if there's like a certain amount of time that they recommend that you go over your face with. I'm just gonna go over it until I'm 2 shades lighter, until it scrubs away my sins, until I get my college degree, until all the gas has evaporated out of my gas tank, until the second coming of Christ. Alright, so I think we get the picture. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, moisturize, and then I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, before I go in and apply my moisturizer, I did just want to say my face feels clean. You see this nose? You see this clarity, girl? Oh yeah, my face is clean. Okay, clean with a capital T. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this moisturizer. If y'all want a whole skincare video, then you're gonna have to request it. Go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Alright y'all, so yeah, I am moisturized now. My face feels so clean. Like that really did do a deep cleaning. I don't know if this is something that I would want to use like every day. Maybe like 3 times a week, just depending on how dry you are. Cause I know I can probably go like every other day that I might need to really exfoliate. I did just want to go over like the cleaning and maintenance instructions that it has in here. So in that little booklet that I pulled out in the beginning of the video, it does show some cleaning and maintenance tips. So it does say step 1, after each use, gently run warm water over the brush heads, wash gently between the bristles, use a damp cloth to clean the main unit, so that thing back there. And then it says allow the cleansing unit and the brush heads to air dry. So you don't like get any mold or mildew or funguses, no E. coli, no strep throat, all that in your brushes, okay? And then replacing the brush heads, it says dermatologists recommend to replace brush heads every 2 to 3 months or when the bristles appear worn and can no longer be restored to their original shape. So every 2 to 3 months, replace the brush heads. I didn't see the brush head replacements on the page, but maybe because I wasn't looking for them. So if you need brush replacements, just do your research, boo. But on a serious note, I do hope you guys really did enjoy this demonstration. I hope you found it somewhat informative or entertaining or both. Definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you liked what you saw. If you want me to do more product reviews, if you have more products that you'd like me to review, let me know. Comment them down below. Slide in my DMs on Instagram, IG at TylorWithAnO. And more importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I will catch you all on my next video. Peace.